Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nafatina Diha binti Azizul, metric number AA231925. Today, I will be presenting my journey as an industrial training student who complete 20 weeks of internship at LUNAS Shipyard, LUNAS. I will start with the company profile. LUNAS or LUNAS Shipyard is a shipyard specializing in the shipbuilding, ship repair and maintenance services for the Royal Malaysian Navy as well as other maritime related clients. The company is involved in major naval commercial projects including lateral combat ship (LCS) and maintenance work for naval vessels such as KD Perantau, KD Jebat. During my industrial training, I was assigned to the Quality and Continuous Improvement Department or QC department under the Accommodation Outfit and Painting Unit. My industrial supervisor was Encik Muhammad Hanis bin Mahadzi. I will continue with my scope of training. My training covered two main scopes, which is handling documentation tasks and assisting inspection activities. For the documentation scope, my daily tasks begin in the morning by printing job tickets from mass production system, which is LUNAS system. A job ticket is an official document used in the shipyard to assign, record, and monitor specific works or inspection tasks. Usually, the production department sends the job ticket to the document controller unit by AM. After the inspection was complete, the inspector would key in the inspection data into the Mars production system. I was then responsible for closing the job ticket using the Mars mobile system once the inspection process was fully complete. I was also responsible for managing inspection documents in soft copy and hard copy form. For soft copy records, scan or related documents such as QNR reports, job tickets, drawing, and inspection reports. These documents were then merged into a single PDF file, renamed according to the QNR number, and upload and link into the LUNAS system. For hard copy records, the documents were organized and filled according to the inspection description. My second scope of training involved assisting inspection activities, particular painting inspection and accommodation outfit inspection. For the painting inspection, I assisted Encik Mamo together with Navy and production teams to inspect the paint applied inside the rudder blade of KD Perantau to ensure it complied with the required standard. The paint is applied inside the rudder blade to protect the internal surface from corrosion, as the rudder blade is located at the lower part of the ship and remains underwater during operation. The rudder blade functions by deflecting water flow when the ship is in motion, allowing the vessel to change direction safely. After the QC inspection confirmed that the paint coverage was complete, the excess paint inside the rudder blade was drained out through the bottom flow opening. In this process, only the paint that adhered to the internal surface is required to prevent corrosion. The drained paint is classified as scheduled waste and is disposed of according to proper waste management procedure. Next is the accommodation outfit inspection. One of the inspection involves insulation inspection. Insulation covers are used to reduce heat transfer between compartments and help maintain temperature control inside the ship. During the inspection, I observed that insulation tape used in the certain areas was not effective. This issue was reported to the subcontractor and production team for corrective action. Another inspection I was involved is self-leveling works. The function of self-leveling is to correct uneven flow surfaces and provide a smooth and flat base before final flow finishing. Ship decks are designed a slight slope to allow proper drainage, which causes the internal flow surfaces to be uneven. Applying a self-leveling coat helps create a flat and stable base. The process begins with the subcontractor applying primer to the steel deck. After that, a primer is left to cure for 3 to 12 hours, followed by QC inspection. Once approval is given, the self-leveling coat is applied. This layer required 7 to 12 hours to fully cure before another QC inspection is conducted. Final finishing, such as carpet or vinyl installation, is only carried out after all welding activities inside the ship are complete to prevent damage to the finished floor. Next, I will explain the learning outcomes of my industrial training. Through this training, I gained an understanding of shipyard operation and workflow, quality control procedure in shipyard, safety regulation, the use of LUNAS systems such as mass production and mass mobile, and proper documentation standards for inspection. For interns or skill gain, I developed the ability to use LUNAS systems effectively, prepare and manage QC documentation accurately, assist in real ship inspection activities, and improve my communication skill, time management, and sense of responsibility. In conclusion, this industrial training provides valuable exposure to quality control practices in shipbuilding and ship repair activities at LUNAS Shipyard. Through my involvement in documentation, handling, and inspection activities, I gained practical understanding of inspection procedure. The training also enhanced my technical skill, documentation management, communication, discipline, and teamwork, which are essential for my future career in the engineering field. At this moment, I would like to say thank you to LUNAS for accepting me as a student practical to undergo my industrial training at QC department. That's all. Thank you.